Why does your scanner show the P1462 engine code? What does it mean? P1462 is a diagnostic trouble code, air conditioning pressure sensor circuit low. This error code indicates a low voltage issue with the air conditioning AC pressure sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty sensor. Wiring issues. Low refrigerant. Short-distance driving. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.